Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand about composite curve. Let's start. File, new, part, and this one. Okay. This is the SolidWorks user interface. This is the command manager. This is the tab section. This is the feature tree manager. This is the view head-up tool. This is the task man. This is the menu bar. First, I will draw a sketch on front plane. Front plane, sketch, and circle. Okay, and define this dimension 25 mm only. 25 mm. Okay, first I will draw a helix feature. This one, helix. Helix, there are four options here. I am taking pitch and revolution. Constant pitch. Pitch is 6 mm, revolution 10 mm, start angle 0, and counterclockwise. This one. Okay, counterclockwise here. And hit the right button. This one. This one. This. Okay. Now I will draw a sketch here. 3D sketch here. Sketch. This one, 3D sketch. I'm taking the line here and this point. This one. I have to move along the arrow direction, this one. When you see this dotted line, click. It means you are on the right path. Click. And move along this arrow direction. When you see this dotted line, it means you are on the right path. Click. Again, you move this along arrow direction. This one, and this one. Then again move. If this arrow doesn't come in your as per your sketch, then you can press the tab key. But here is the, again select the line, this one, and move this one and drag this one along arrow direction. And when you see this dotted line, click here, this one. Okay, this line, shift this line, equal. Okay, now this line and this line equal relation. I have drawn a arbitrary sketch only in order to understand the composite curve. Okay, first I will give the dimension here. This dimension I am giving 25 mm. This is I am giving 25 mm. And this dimension I am taking 25 mm. This is 25 mm. And this dimension I am taking 50 mm only. This one. Okay. This is 25 and this is 25. This is the 50 mm only. Okay. First I will provide the fillet here. This, yes, 10 mm fillet. This, yes, 10 mm fillet. This, or you can decrease 8 mm for example. Okay. And this, yes, this, yes, hit right button and cancel it. This is a sketch I have drawn. Okay, but sketch is not fully defined. What I will do, top plane, show. Now select this point from where this is the end of helix. This is the end of one side helix. Select, shift, and this left hand side, you will see this window appears on plane. Click. Now the sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now there are the two sketches. Top plane, hide there. If you select the sketch, this one, you will see this is single sketch. Helix, there are two separate sketches out of the sketch. Now I will draw another sketch, 3D sketch. How? This is another end of this helix. Select sketch, 3D sketch. This one. (3D sketch), line. Now from here, you have to move along the arrow direction, this one. When you see this dotted line, it means you are on the right path. Click. Then move along this arrow direction. Click. When you see this dotted line, you will see. If I move out of this line, arrow direction, you will see this dotted line disappears. So I have to move along the arrow direction. Click. And this again, dotted line, click. And this one, again arrow direction move. This, click. This one. Now select this line and shift key, this line equal. Now this one. Okay. Smart dimension, this dimension I am taking 25 mm. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 25 mm. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 50 mm. This one. Now fillet. You provide the fillet. Now sketch is not fully defined. Okay, first I will do applying the fillet. This one, this, yes, this, yes, this, yes. Yes, hit right button and cancel it. But sketch is not fully defined. This third sketch. How? What I will do? Top plane, show. Now select this point where I have drawn the third sketch. Click, shift and click this plane. Left hand side, this window comes on plane. Click here. Sketch is fully defined. This one. This way, and top plane, hide it. Now there are the three sketches here you will find. This one, first is this one, second is this one, third is helix and curve. Suppose I draw the helix, for example, swift boss base. This one. Sketch circular profile, and here is 4 mm dia. 4 mm dia, I am selecting the path. Path is this one, for example. You will see the swift boss base is applied only in first 3D sketch, not all the three one, because these three sketches are separate. So what is the role of this is composite curve that combines all the sketches? It is immaterial whether in whatever planes they are there lie. Okay, so for how I will make the composite curve in future, you go in this composite curve and join entities to join. Which entities? First is this one, second is helix and curve, and this is the third is this sketch, and hit the right button. Now you will see this is the single curve, composite curve. Okay, this is the single. Suppose I will apply the swift boss base. Swift boss base, circular profile, dia is 4 mm, and this one, and select the path. Now the whole path is selected in this way. This is the whole path is selected, and this hit the right button. Then this is the, and hide this sketch. Or here. Show this one, show So if you and hide it, you hide the helix in order to make the view clear. This one, you can apply the color of the different colors. You can apply it here. This one, any metal you can apply it. Appearance, metal, brass you can apply it here. Brass, this one, metal and brass, this one, brush, this one. Double click, this is the brush. So in this way you can apply the composite color. You can make this one. I made this example. Okay, so this is very useful tool in order to combine the sketches. It is immaterial whatever in whatever the sketches are in whatever planes. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.